check out the 50 with the wrap. Q50 MD. I think it's low. What's up, guys? David Midlife Crisis coming at you from a car meet tonight. Virus events Thursday night. It's been a while since I've been out here, but we're gonna do a YouTube video showing you what's going on. So let's get into it. Alright, so we got the lineup out here. We got Javi, the president. This is Tyree with this Q60 airbag, blue wheels, orange paint. Got Lewis's Q50. Over here, that's Albert's IPL. G37 IPL. That's actually one of my favorite G37s right there. That'd be cool to get my hands on an IPL. So then I'm glad I got here at the right time because I was able to pull up and park next to everybody. So I got to park with my club tonight, even though I don't got a Nissan out here yet. Still Saturday, we're looking at Saturday. But yeah, brought the Caprice out. Like, yeah, lineups out here representing, looking fresh. Oh yeah, there's a Subaru. That's Jessiel's Subaru. Get some other cars. I'm gonna try to go through here. The music's crazy. I don't have to worry about this. I don't know if you can see that, but that thing's lit up. It's hydro dipped and all that. Got a Mustang GT 2-valve. Pick out the BRZ wide body kit on it. Got some more cars over here. Got some Slam CRVs. There's like 3 Slam CRVs. CRV gang. All right, check out the WRX wagon. That's pretty cool. Pretty nice. So we got a Saab. Those Saab wheels, I was looking at these and it's so funny. They look a lot like G8 wheels. Pretty sure Pontiac stole that design from Saab because Saab's been around. That car's older than G8. Got a TLX. Over here, got some more cars. BMW. I'm not sure if it's an M3 or not. Got another Q50. Got another BMW right here. Check it out, the Mustang. This thing pulled up. It sounded really good. Got 2 of them right here. There's another car pulling up. So, got some imports that pulled up. Got a Type R Civic. That thing is very clean. Listen to this Genesis. Straight pipe Genesis. So, but yeah, got some Elantra ends here. These are fast cars. Don't sleep on these. Got Civic. Check out the IS300. That's cool. I like that. He's got the Altezza badge on the front. Nice wheels, underglow. That's nice. I know.
Project car.
Looks good, man. Check out the Genesis and another BMW. This Genesis pulled up. It sounded mean. Sounds like it's got a turbo. I think it's actually kind of clean. I like the wheels. Got the Yankees. So apparently they want to do a 2-step, but the cops have already been here and have already talked to the host, so she's not doing it. And I don't blame her. She actually wants to keep the meet open. Listen to that box body. That thing's cammed out. Javi wanted to switch up so he gets some light.
Yeah, facts.
Dude, that's a low BMW. So right now the lot's filled up. She's actually having to turn people away. So we got the Civic. Oh, maybe not that car. There's a Corolla, an old school Corolla. There's a, I forgot what that's called. It's a Matrix, Toyota Matrix.
No, I see.
That's an old school Honda Accord. Got a CRV. Got another Civic. Accord. Yo, so we're gonna do another walkthrough. There's been some pretty loud music earlier. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted for that. So, but Javi, like I said, switched with Albert so they could get some light shots. And yeah, you see Javi's wrap. It's a complete color change, chameleon wrap. So I might have to do a wrap here soon myself. Check out the Civic. It's got that, I forgot what they call the style. But yeah, that's crazy. Oh, packed house. Successful meet. Yo, very good turnout. Check out this IS. I like this. Slam. Check out the Teggy. So the cops are here. They're saying something about the noise. Check out this BMW. I like the wrap. So yeah, 2 different color wrap. Check out the Elantra N. They're leaving. Korean nightmares. Verbal. Got 370. Check it out, got some low riders. Look at the Caddy. Oh, I like the Cadillac. That is cool.
Hey, yo, follow me.
Fire, bro. I love this shit, man.
Oh, yes. Very nice. I'm actually about to leave, so if he wants to pull in.
Yeah, it'll look good next to my shit.
Keep saying I'm gonna leave, but the lowrider showed up, more motorcycles showed up, and then Caesar showed up. So now we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lineup cars out here tonight. Not bad. All right, so I'm gonna get going. They've already had the cops come by twice, so they're trying to keep people from keeping the music too loud, but you know, I gotta get up early and work in the morning. I'm glad I came out. I'm glad I got to see this event. Check out my YouTube video. Please like, please subscribe, please hit that notification button. Thanks for watching.